अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ MS वर्ड शॉर्टकट कीज शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। Ctrl+A, select all contents of the page. Ctrl+B, bold highlighter selection. Ctrl+C, copy selected text. Ctrl+X, cut the selected text. Ctrl+P, open the print window. Ctrl+F, open find box. Ctrl+I, italic highlighted selection. Ctrl+K, insert link. Ctrl+U, underline highlighted selection. Ctrl+V, paste the text. Ctrl+Y, redo the last action performed. Ctrl+Z, undo last action. Ctrl+L, aligns the line or selected text to the left of this screen. Ctrl+E, aligns the line or selected text to the center of this screen. Ctrl+R, aligns the line or selected text to the right of this screen. Ctrl+M, indent the paragraph. Ctrl+Shift+F, change the font. Ctrl+Shift+, less and greater than sign. Increase selected font plus 1 points up to 12 points, and then increase fonts plus 2 points. Ctrl plus close bracket, increase selected font plus 1 point. Ctrl+Shift+, less than sign, decrease selected font 1 point if 12 points are lower. If above 12, decreases font by plus 2 point. Ctrl+, open bracket, decrease selected font minus 1 point. Ctrl+Shift+, sterics, view or hide non-printing correctors. Ctrl+, less than, left arrow, greater than sign, moves 1 word to the left. Ctrl+, right arrow, moves 1 word to the right. Ctrl+, up arrow, moves to the beginning of the 9-hour paragraph. Ctrl+, down arrow, moves to the end of the paragraph. Ctrl+Delete, deletes 1 word to the right of cursor. Ctrl+Backspace, deletes word to left of cursor. Ctrl+End, moves the cursor to the end of the document. Ctrl+Home, moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. Ctrl+ spacebar, reset highlighted text to the default font. Ctrl+1, single space line. Ctrl+2, double space lines. Ctrl+5, 1.5 line spacing. Ctrl+, Alt+1, changes text to heading 1. Ctrl+, Alt+2, changes text to heading 2. Ctrl+, Alt+3, changes text to heading 3. Ctrl+F1, open the task pane. F1, open help. Alt+, Ctrl+, F2, open new document. Ctrl+F2, Display the print preview. Shift plus F3 change the text in Microsoft Word from upper to lowercase or a capital letter at the beginning of every word. Shift plus insert is used for paste. F4 repeat the last action performed. Word put hover plus. F5 is used for open the find, replace and go to window in Microsoft Word. Control plus Shift plus F6 opens to another open Microsoft Word document. F7 is used for spell and grammar check. Selected text and or document. Shift plus F7 is used for run the serious text or the word highlighted. F12 is used for save as. Shift plus F12 is used for save. Control plus Shift plus F12 is used for cleanse the document. R plus Shift plus T is used for insert the current date. R plus Shift plus T is used for insert the current time.